On a rainy night at an old closed airfield, a silver BMW rolled into the lot like it had been waiting for this moment its whole life. The engine sat calm and deep, not loud for the sake of noise, but steady with confidence. Around it stood a line of sports cars that looked fast in a straight line. The BMW looked different. It looked balanced. When the driver pressed the throttle and turned into the first corner, the rear stepped out smoothly, almost as if the car understood the dance before the music started. The tires sang, the rear wheels slid, and the BMW held the angle with surprising control. It did not fight the drift. It carried it. That was the secret people always noticed about BMWs. They had a strong chassis, a rear-wheel drive feel, and a kind of planted weight that made them predictable when the back end broke loose. In the hands of a skilled driver, the car became precise instead of wild. It could transition from one slide to the next with style, staying composed even when the road looked slippery and unforgiving.